today we will see all the formulas of the trigonometric ratios and trigonometric functions. Okay, આજે આપણે trigonometry ના બેઝ ફોર્મ્યુલા આપણે જોવા. Exam time પર at the time of revision, if I will ask you that which is your difficulty, then everyone says that difficulty is two chapter, one trigonometry and another surface area and volume 30. Actually they are easy છે. Practice with perfects. One, learn all the identities perfectly and how it is used. Learn this technique. એને ક્યારે કેવી રીતે વાપરવાની તે ટેકનિક બરાબર આવડી જાય તો આ તમારો ટ્રિગોનોમેટ્રી અને સરફેસ એરિયા વોલ્યુમ બંને ચેપ્ટર તમારા ઈઝી છે. Now in this case the sums is just like puzzles type ના sums આવશે. અહીંયાથી આપણે આ તમને આવી રીતે ઘણી વખત પેલું તો નાના હશો ત્યારે એમાં હશે કે એન્ટ્રીઝ હિયર ને એક્ઝિસ્ટ હિયર and enter from here and exist from here. Now there is a such types of the waves are there. There are many ways and from that you will come here. If your way is wrong, your directions is not wrong, then you will be confused here or there it is. Suppose sometimes what happen, there is a 4 or 5 types, 5 ways are there. One is directly here, one is from this here, one from here to here, like this way. Okay? જુદા જુદી રીતે એક sums તમારો થતો હોય, puzzles type ના sums આવશે. Don't worry about it. કે જ્યારે તમે એની પ્રેક્ટિસ વધારે કરશો એટલે તમને આવડી જશે. Now first of all પહેલેથી આપણે હું લઉં છું formula number 1, that is your Pythagoras theorem, right? પછી તમારે પણ આવી રીતે તમારા પેજના અંદર try yourself બધી જ ફોર્મ્યુલા તમે લખી કરો. What is your Pythagoras theorems? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now 6 trigonometry ratio. Sin theta in triangle ABC, angle B is 90, angle A is theta. Sin theta is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse with reference to this BC upon AC. Third one, cos theta. Do one thing, I will give it is 0 number, okay? That is 1, that is 2, okay? Cos theta, adjacent side upon hypotenuse. 1 લખી દો તો બી ચાલશે. Okay, ચાલો. Nothing, no numbers. Okay, ચાલો. 1, 2. Cos theta is equal to adjacent AB upon AC. Tan theta, third one, tan theta is equal to opposite upon adjacent. Opposite માં શું આવશે? BC, adjacent માં AB. Then third one, cosec theta is an inverse of sin theta. Okay, hypotenuse upon opposite is equal to AC upon BC, inverse of this one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, that one is 4. Then fifth, sec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon adjacent is equal to hypotenuse AC upon adjacent AB. Then cot theta is equal to what? Inverse of this one. Adjacent upon opposite is equal to AB upon BC. That is regarding 8.1. 8.1 ના અંદર આ ટાઈપના sums. Now that is 75. Okay, page number 75. Now 7th, 8th and 9th all are same. એકમાંથી આપણે એકમાંથી બીજી બે બનાવી દઈશું. sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta. Sin theta is in form of the cosec theta. 8. Sin theta and cos theta are inverse of each other. Cos theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. These both are same. Third one, cross multiplied 1 upon यानी साथे sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. That is your 9. That means these three are treated as one. એક જ છે. ઓકે, આપણે આગળ પાછળ કરીને જ્યારે જે જોઈતું હોય તે આપણે લઈ લેશું. 8 7 8 9 10. 10 sin theta નું લખ્યું. Now we will write about cos theta. Cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta. And 11 sec theta is equal to cos theta. Then 12 sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. Cross multiplied sec theta into cos theta is equal to 1. One most important I have forget here. That one sec 7th. Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Be careful. Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. That is your 7. 8 cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. Inverse of this one. Now numbering is another 9, that is 10, 11, 12, 13, that is your 14. These three are one. Forms are different for vastu paristhiti. Okay. Now 15, we will write about tan theta. Tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta. 16. So every trigonometry ratio can be converted into the another form. Cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. And 17 tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. This is treated as 1. આ ત્રણ તમારો એક તરીકે આપણે ઉપયોગ કરશું. ક્લિયર? Table. I will make the table. Okay. Bas. Now table. Okay. That I have put 18 numbers. मैं તમને કીધું within a 15 second you have to write it. 1 મિનિટ આપણને ખબર પડી જવા જોઈએ. તેમ છતાં ફરીથી એક વખત બતાવી દઉં છું. 0 1 2 3 4 divided by 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 4. Simplify 0 1 upon 4 1 upon 2 and 1. Taking the square root of 0 is equal to 0. That is 1 upon 4 square root 1 no square root 1 4 no 2 1 over root 2 root 3 upon 2 and that is your 1. Okay. Now the reverse of the sin theta. First 1 root 3 upon 2 1 over root 2 1 upon 2 0. Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Sin theta upon cos theta. 0 upon 1, 0. 1 over root 2 upon 1 over root 3, 1 over root 3. 1 root 3. 1 upon 0, not defined. Cosec theta, inverse of sin theta. 0 देखाई था, not defined. 2 root 2. 2 upon root 3. And here 1. Okay. 1 no inverse 1. 3 upon 2, 2 upon 3. 1 over root 2, root 2. 1 upon 2, 2. 0. Sec theta inverse of cos theta 1. 2 upon root 3, root 2. Then here 2 and not defined. આપણે જોયેલું બી increasing order, decreasing order, sin theta and cos theta lies between 0 and 1. Tan theta is 0 to infinite. Cos theta is equal to cosec and sec 1 to infinite. Cot theta is equal to what? Chalo, cos theta is equal to inverse of this, not defined, root 3, 1, 1 over root 3 and 6. Clear? આ તમારા ટેબલ બનાવી જાય એટલે પછી એના એક્ઝામ્પલ્સ આવશે. Now complementary angles, trigonometry ratio of the complementary angles, that is 90. Sin theta I want to convert into the cos theta, then it will be sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. 20 cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. 21, that is your sin cosec theta sec 90 minus theta. Sec theta cosec 90 minus theta. 23 cosec sec cot 10. Tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. 24 cot theta is equal to tangent 90 minus theta. આ રીતે મેં જે રીતે બનાવી લખતો છું તે રીતે તમે એક વખત લખી કાઢજો. જો રીતે એક વખત એમ કરજો, લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ લખી દેજો, રાઈટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ લખી કાઢજો. ક્લિયર? નાઉ trigonometric identities. Trigonometry identities, that is the most important part. Most of આના examples વધારે પૂછે, આના બી પૂછે એવું કંઈ નહીં 10th ના અંદર, પણ તમારે 11th 12th આ બેઝ વધારે હશે. ઓકે, ચલો. The first one 25 sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. From that I will take another. આનામાંથી હું એક બીજું કાઢું. sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Again factorize it, 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta. Like this it is proceed. 27 cos square theta, I will change move this one their side, 1 minus sin square theta. बराबर, एक वक्त sin square theta ने मूव करो, एक वक्त cos square theta ने मूव करो आ साइड થી આ સાइड. That means આ ત્રણ તમારા એક જ વસ્તુ છે. They are not different. હા, તમારા આ ત્રણે ત્રણ કેવા છે? એક જ. Now 28 25 26 27 28 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. 29, that is important. આ ઘણા સમ્સમાં આવશે. sec square theta I will move here, minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Okay, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Here I will take only 2. Second one you have to take at that time. Tan square theta is equal to, okay, I will take it. 30. Tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. આ વનને આ બાજુ લઈ ગયો. એક વખત sec square theta, tan square theta ને લઈ ગયો. તો આ ત્રણ માટે તમારું 1. ઓકે. Now 31. 31 કયો આવશે? 1 plus cosec square theta. આપણે આ બધું બેકાર બધું કરેલું ને. 1 plus cosec square theta નહીં. cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. 32. I will move this one. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. 33. Cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. અમુક ટાઈમે જ્યારે જે જરૂર પડશે તે ફોર્મ્યુલા આપણે એપ્લાય કરીશું. મીન તમારી આ 25, 28 and 31. From that you can derive another also at the time of this one. Illustrations number 12, textbook page number 191. Example number 12. Express the ratio cos A, tan A and sec A in terms of sin. Sin in a forms માં આપણે બધું ગણ્યું હતા. Cos A is equal to sin, tan is equal to in something of sin, sec, sin, right? First of all, I will take the cos A. Then we know that 25th example. Yes, while doing this one, first of all, write this all formula in one page. एक पेज ऊपर તમે બધી લખી રાખો, સાઈડ ઉપર જમણી સાઈડ ઉપર તમારી મૂકી દો. Then try to solve it. Okay? Actually, you have to keep this formula in mind. But in the beginning, you will do like this. Okay? Cos A, we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore, cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Therefore, cos theta is equal to square root of 1 minus sin square theta. That means cos theta is expressed in terms of sin theta. Sin theta na form માં આપણે cos theta બતાવ્યું. Now second, tan theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Sin theta upon cos theta. I want here only sin theta. So 1, value of putting the cos theta from 1. Sin theta upon 1 minus sin square theta by 1. बराबर ने मैं एक माटी તમારી વેલ્યુ મૂકી દીધી. ઓકે, થર્ડ વન sec theta. Sec square theta is equal to what? Sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, so 1 plus tan square theta is equal to what? Sin theta upon square root of 1 minus sin square theta whole this square. Therefore 1 plus sin square theta upon 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, that is your sec square theta in terms of sin square theta. Okay, or one thing is there, or you can do like this way, or कोई आ રીતે કર્યું તો બી ચાલી જાય. 1 plus tan square theta. Tan square theta is equal to sin theta upon 1 upon sin square theta. Sin square theta you will do 1 minus sin square theta. Cos theta, sec square theta is equal to 1. Sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. 1 upon cos theta is equal to 1. square root of 1 minus sin square theta. Square root of 1 minus sin square theta. Get it?